Okay, now showcase events. What are they? They are events that you can use to just give out information um about an event that you have upcoming, right? So let me visit the website. And if I scroll down, you'll notice there are some showcase events here. So you have Code and Cocktails, you have Demo Fridays by Building Bytes, right? So if you open Demo Fridays by Building Bytes, these are the details. It just tells you, okay, so this is what the event is about. And there's a segment, Demo Fridays across 6.0 or 6 point, yeah, whatever. 9th, 26th of September 2025. You can open it for more details. So these are the more details, right? The theme, the description, the start date and time, end date and time, and then we have the link here, and we have the location on the map as well, right? You can also add the events to your calendar so that you would be reminded about the events when the event is occurring, right? So there's also a link, and the link takes you to the events page. So let's go to the actual showcase event. So you can create the event, you give it a name, you give it a description, you give it a picture, and then you can decide whether the event is public or private. If it is public, it will be shown on the page for everyone and anyone to see, right? It should be shown on the page here, and anyone can click it, see the details, see the segments, visit the link, or save it to their calendar, right? If it is private, no one will be able to see it unless you share the link. So when you create it, the link will be a custom link will be generated for you, and then you can share that link to anyone at all you would like to see the details and then save the events down for later, right? So maybe you have a wedding upcoming and you want to share the details of the wedding to people so they can know when it's happening, where it's happening, save the date and time so that they are reminded when the day comes. You can use this feature right here. You can decide to make it private and then you just get the link and share to each person individually, right? Okay, so after you create the showcase events, you can add segments. So over here, we've not created a showcase event, so we can't add the segment, but you can add a segment, and the segments are these right here, right? So one showcase event can have multiple segments. So let's say in the example that I gave, right, a wedding, you have the uh res we have the what are the various parts of a wedding? We have the wedding ceremony, we have the engagement. Okay, so it's engagement first, then I think the wedding ceremony, and then I think the reception, right? So you'd have the segments here. So you could have the engagement at maybe your house, and you have the location for your house. You have the wedding ceremony at a church, and you have the location for the church, and you have the reception at an event center, and then you have the location for the event center there. You have the details there. Anyone can visit the page and then get the details and just, come for your wedding celebration. Right, so that's how showcase events work. Oh, and another thing, showcase events do cost. Okay, so yeah, it's right here. It's a flat rate of 10 cities for creating a showcase event. Now, this is subject to change, but at the moment it's 10 cities. So take full advantage of that while you can.